Let's be honest, is your Instagram password feeling a little, well, stale? Today, we are cutting right through all those confusing menus to show you the absolute fastest, easiest way to change it. Let's get your account locked down. Seriously, just think about it for a second. When was the last time you actually changed your Instagram password? Keeping your account secure is more important than ever, and a fresh password is your #1 line of defense. It's such a small change, but it makes a huge difference.
All right, let's get started. The really good news is that Instagram has finally put all the important stuff in one central place. So once you know where to look, it is an absolute breeze. Our first stop, the Account Center.
Okay, go ahead and open up Instagram on your phone. First things first, tap your profile icon way down in the bottom right corner. That'll take you straight to your profile. Now look up to the top right and you'll see that 3-line menu. Some people call it the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap that.
And there it is, right at the top of the list, Account Center. This is basically the new mission control for all your Meta accounts, which actually makes things super convenient. Go ahead and tap on it. Perfect, you're in the control room. Now for the main event, actually making the change. And I promise, these next few steps are so simple. Let's do it.
So inside the Account Center, you're just going to look under the Account Settings section for password and security. It should be right there near the top. Tap on it.
See how easy that is? The very first option is Change Password. No more digging through a dozen different menus. Just tap that and we are almost there.
Now, quick heads up. If you have your Facebook and Instagram accounts connected, you're going to see a list pop up right here. Just make sure you tap on the Instagram profile you want to update.
Okay, this is the final action screen. You've got 3 boxes. In that first box, just pop in your current password. Then in the second box, type your new super strong password. You know the drill. Mix in some letters, numbers, and symbols. And finally, just type it one more time in that third box to confirm you got it right. Once those 3 boxes are filled out, all that's left is to hit that big Change Password button at the bottom. And that's it. You're about to lock in your new, much more secure password. And just like that, it is done. The change is totally immediate. You don't have to wait around, no confirmation emails to look for. It's just instant peace of mind. But wait a minute. What if you get to this screen and you realize you have totally forgotten your current password? Don't panic. It happens to literally everyone. Instagram has a backup plan for this exact situation. So, you basically have 2 paths you can take here. If you know your current password, great. Just follow the steps we just went over. But if your mind's a total blank, no worries at all. Just tap that Forgot Your Password link on that same screen. Instagram will send a reset link right to your email or your phone so you can create a new one from scratch. And there you have it. Whether you remembered your old password or you had to reset it, the result is exactly the same. Your Instagram account is updated and it is way more secure than it was just a few minutes ago. It's a simple process for a really vital piece of digital hygiene.
So your password is changed, which is an absolutely great first step. But don't just stop there. It makes you wonder, what's your next move to protect your digital identity? A fantastic next step is setting up 2-factor authentication. It adds a whole other layer of security. It's just another easy way to build a stronger digital fortress, one simple step at a time.